Hello, welcome to another AQA Physics multi-choice question. If you want to choose a different question, click on the information card there. If not, continue watching. Try the question yourself by pausing the video now. If you got the answer D, well done. If you didn't and want to hear my explanation, keep watching. So 1 kilowatt hour is equivalent to, and we need to convert kilowatt hours, which is a unit of energy, into electron volts, which is also a unit of energy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert kilowatt hours into joules to start with, and then the joules into electron volts. So what's a kilowatt hour equal to? Well, we know that power is equal to energy over time. So energy equals power multiplied by time. In this particular case, the power is in kilowatts. So that's 1,000 watts. And the time is in hours, so that's 3,600 seconds. If I put that into my calculator, I'll get an answer of 3.6 times 10 to the 6 joules. So just to quickly explain, what I was doing there was putting the standard units for power and the standard units of time, and if I do that, I'll get the standard units of energy out, and the standard units of energy are joules. Now I need to convert that joules into electron volts. And the way to do that is to take the value for joules and divide it by the charge on an electron. And that again is on your data sheet if you can't remember. So again, I put that into my calculator and I'll get an answer of 2.3 times 10 to the 25 electron volts. Answer D. If this was useful or interesting, click on that subscribe button, share with your friends, click the like button and watch more of them in the series, please. Thank you.